Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use paddle shifters on your Kia Stinger. To begin, understand that these shifters give you manual control over your automatic transmission. They are typically found mounted directly behind your steering wheel, with a plus sign on the right and a minus sign on the left. This feature allows for a more engaging and sporty driving experience. Shifting gears with the paddles is straightforward. To upshift, simply pull the paddle on the right side, marked with a plus sign. For downshifting, pull the paddle on the left, marked with a minus sign. You'll notice your engine's revolutions per minute, or RPM, change as you shift, giving you direct control over your vehicle's power delivery. Paddle shifters are most effective in specific driving situations. They are excellent for spirited driving on winding roads, allowing you to keep the engine in its optimal power band. You can also downshift to use engine braking when going downhill, which helps save your conventional brakes. Additionally, they provide better control when approaching and exiting corners. For advanced use, remember that while the car's computer prevents harmful shifts, it's best to avoid consistently shifting at the engine's red line to prolong its life. If you stop or cruise for a period, the transmission will often revert to automatic drive mode. Also, for a cleaner ride, check the description for a link to the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum and other great deals. Using paddle shifters effectively can truly transform your Kia Stinger driving experience, offering a blend of convenience and performance.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.